Alright, so here we're under a 1994 Chevy Suburban. What we're going to be doing is the idler bracket and the idler arm. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to remove our cotter pin. Alright, so we'll go ahead and remove our nut here. Alright, so I'm going to use a 19mm wrench. Alright, so I'm going to use a pickle fork to separate this joint here. I'm going to remove these 3 bolts here. All right, so I'm using a 19mm here. Just going to try to hit the bolts. There is a hole in the frame rail that I need an extension, but I'm going to see if I can just... I can loosen them, but I can't get them to come down. All right, well, we'll go ahead and wiggle this guy off. Oh, don't lose that bolt. All right, so there's our bolts. We definitely don't want to lose them. All right, so here we have our new idler arm set up from Auto Parts Direct to You. So we're just making sure everything is correct. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and install this piece first, and then I'll install this once this is in the vehicle. But everything looks to be the same. We just want to make sure. Looks like our mounting holes, everything looks good. All right, so we'll go ahead and put this piece up. Is it going in? Oh yeah. Get it? All right. Wow, that was kind of strange. They don't give you much room for that. Probably have to make a custom socket to help pull it in and pull it out. All right, so you guys just seen how we did it. You know, if you got any other suggestions or a better way to do it, let us know in the comments. That'd be appreciated, I'm sure, to people watching this video. All right, so now we're going to put our arm on. So we see this goes on this first to make it a lot easier, without a doubt. All right, so now we want to put our cotter pin in. All right, so we're all set. We're ready to take it for a test drive.